taklai bisini paitete shal rogo angai mano biharo bidansabha chongbari abuni bagai fatar haste rogo thang tongo Mantri Bokhrok Narendra Modi Bharat hakotor bai baksa Biharo bo yogano sgangna bagai samung thlai tongo Mantri Bokhrok Narendra Modi abohaino tabok thangrangni haparo nukjagai tongo Trinidad te Tobago thang sobikha Mantri Bokhrok Narendra Modi Mantri Bokhrok Narendra Modi aroni Mantri Bokhrok no Bihar ki beti hnai borom yafarikha abai baksa Bharat hakotorni sampa hakotor rogno bobuksa kaisa hnibo moito khlai rakha Mantri Bokhrok Narendra Modi
Prime Minister Kamla Prasad Bisesar ji, members of the cabinet, all the dignitaries present today, members of the Indian diaspora, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. Sitaram. Jai Shri Ram. Can you mark something? What a coincidence. It is a matter of immense pride and joy for me to be with all of you this evening. I thank Prime Minister Kamla ji for her wonderful hospitality and kind words. I arrived a short while ago in this beautiful land of hummingbirds. Across the world, we are mapping the past and bringing people closer for the bright future. We are actively working on creating a comprehensive database of the Girmetia community, documenting the villages and cities in India from which their ancestors migrated. Identifying the places where they have settled, studying and preserving the legacy of the Girmetia ancestors, and working to organize World Girmetia conferences regularly. This will support the deep and historic ties with our brothers and sisters in Trinidad and Tobago as well. Today, I am happy to announce that OCI cards will now be given to the 6th generation of the Indian diaspora in Trinidad and Tobago. You are not just connected by blood or surname. You are connected by belonging. India looks out to you. India welcomes you. And India embraces you. Friends, प्रधानमंत्री कमला जी के पूर्वज बिहार के बक्सर में रहा करते थे। कमला जी स्वयं वहां जाकर भी आई है। लोग इन्हें बिहार की बेटी मानते हैं। People in India consider Prime Minister Kamala ji as the daughter of Bihar. यहां उपस्थित अनेक लोगों के पूर्वज बिहार से ही आए हैं। बिहार की विरासत भारत के साथ ही दुनिया का भी गौरव है। लोकतंत्र हो, राजनीति हो, कूटनीति हो, हायर एजुकेशन हो, बिहार ने सदियों पहले दुनिया को ऐसे अनेक विषयों में नई दिशा दिखाई थी। मुझे विश्वास है 21वीं सदी की दुनिया के लिए भी बिहार की धरती से नई प्रेरणाएं, नए अवसर निकलेंगे। Like Kamala ji, there are many people here whose roots lie in Bihar. The heritage of Bihar is a matter of pride for all of us. Friends, I'm sure everyone among you feels proud when India grows. For New India, even the sky is not the limit. You all have must cheered when India's Chandrayaan landed on the moon.